Generative Artificial Intelligence. Short form is Generative AI. Gen AI is the shortest one. Nowadays, Generative Artificial Intelligence is in trend, but it is not at all a new topic. Generative AI was first introduced during 1960s in the form of chatbots. The first historical example of generative AI was called Elijah. Generative AI refers to a type of AI technology that can create new content, such as images, music, text, videos, code, and more, by learning from existing data. The word generative means to generate or create. So, generative AI can create something new that didn't exist before, based on pattern it has learned from training data. It can learn human languages, any kind of programming languages, chemistry, biology, English vocabulary, anything. It reuses what it knows to solve new problems, and you will get surprised to know that it also can create a poem from the word it processes. Now come to the applications of generative AI. Generative AI has applications in diverse industries such as healthcare and pharmaceuticals. For example, enhancing medical images, discovering new drugs, personalized treatments, all are included in this part. Generative AI is rapidly transforming the banking and financial services sector by automating tasks, enhancing customer experience, detecting fraud, automated 24/7 support via chat, auto-generate financial reports, compliance documents, risk assessment and insurance claim summaries, generate customized offer for savings, credit card loans based on customer behavior. Generative AI has rapidly expanded across industries due to its ability to create new content. Marketing and advertising agencies are using this feature of Gen AI. It generates ad images, banners, or video content on demand. Generative AI is also used by fashion and jewelry industries. Create new design for clothing, jewelry using prompts or trend state. It can also analyze and predict future design trends. Entertainment industry and media also benefited by Gen AI. It can generate movies, scripts, books, create characters. Even it can generate soundtrack using AI. Education sectors are highly benefited by Gen AI. It provides personalized conversation learning support. Create quizzes, summaries, and study guides. Generative AI can assist in writing or debugging code. For example, GitHub Copilot. It can create tests based on system logic or documentation. And in this way, Gen AI supports software development industry. Art and design areas are also assisted by Gen AI. It has a great contribution on digital art creation, logo and branding, interior designing. It can automatically produce logos. Very common application of generative AI is customer support. Chatbots, sentimental analysis, all are included in it. It creates automatic draft reply based on context. Real estate industry also takes support of Gen AI. Floor plan generation, 3D rendering, all are done by Gen AI. It provides realistic architectural visualization. We have already worked with machine learning. We have already familiar with the deep learning. So what is special in generative AI? So now we have to concentrate. We have to learn the differences between machine learning, deep learning and generative AI. In case of machine learning is a subset of AI, artificial intelligence, where machines learn patterns from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. We works with structured data, requires feature extraction in case of machine learning. Example, suppose spam detection in emails, fraud detection in banking, like this. Okay, in case of deep learning is a specialized branch of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers to analyze complex pattern in data. Examples: face recognition, speech to text, self driving cars, all are included in the deep learning. So, what are the differences of generative AI? Generative AI actually it is a field within AI that focuses on creative new content. This is the specialization of generative AI, using models trained on large data set. Key features of generative AI are built on deep learning models, can generate human like text, images, videos, and more, often uses foundation models and prompt based interactions. Example: ChatGPT, Dell E, Sora, all are the examples of generative AI. So we can summarize in this way: ML is about learning pattern and making decisions. DL, deep learning, takes machine learning further by using neural networks for deeper analysis, and generative AI uses deep learning models to create entirely new content mimicking human creativity. So this is the differences between machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. And from these things we can conclude that why we need this generative AI, why generative AI is differed from machine learning and deep learning. Now we have to focus on some real-time examples or practical examples of generative AI. So in case of design and art, Dell E, Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, all are designers create artwork, logos, posters, or even concept art by simply describing them in words. Canva Magic Design, this is instantly generates full designs for presentations, social media, etc. based on a prompt. Next, content creation and writing. Nowadays, this is a hot topic. This is very much popular. ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai automatically generates blog posts, email, ad copy, and more. Notion AI helps with summarizing notes, generating meetings, agendas, or rewriting text. So, what about education and tutoring? Khan Migo AI tutor helps students solve problems step by step. Duolingo Max uses GPT to generate custom practice conversation in real time. Generative AI also helps in e-commerce or retail. AI generated product descriptions. Amazon and Shopify sellers use AI to generate SEO optimization description. Generative AI helps customer see how clothing or makeup looks on them virtually. Generative AI also helps e-commerce and retail. Amazon and Shopify sellers uses AI to generate SEO optimized descriptions. Generative AI helps customers see how clothing or makeup looks on them virtually. Generative AI also very much helpful for media entertainment. Sora OpenAI generates videos from simple text prompts. So generative AI offers many powerful benefits across industries. It is like a revolution for technical field. It instantly generates text, images, videos, code, or music. Great for marketing, blogging, video productions. This automates some repetitive tasks like writing emails, products, description, coding, or debugging, like this type of works. Boost creativity, creates content even without expert level skills. customizes contents, recommendations, and services for individual users, used in e-commerce, education, fitness, fashion, in every places, every industries. Assist in multilingual translations, grammar correction, and simplifying complex content for different audiences, enhances productivity in marketing, HR, customer support, and product design. AI chatbots, AI generated reports, and meeting summaries in every field, every industries are benefited by this generative AI. This is really a revolution for technical field.